Hello everyone, this is Srinivas. I am here to share with you one of the simplest method to learn as well as remember the tenses. As it is one of the significant grammar part in English grammar, so there are n number of methods. Here I am going to share with you one of the method to learn them easily. So let's see then, what do you mean by tense? We know very well. Tense, which means time of action. It indicates the time of the action. When the action is taken place in the past, it expresses here. Mainly three types of tenses we have: present tense, past tense and future tense. Here we discuss about past tense. Past tense divided into four types: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. If you look at the simple past tense, the method here I am introducing to you. When you are learning tenses, three of the things about that tense we have to remember perfectly. The three of the things are: one of them is usage of the tense, the other is structure of the tense, and the last one is keywords of the tense. If these three you remember, and no chance that you commit a mistake when you need to face a question with the tenses. Let's see then what are the simple past tense usage, structure and keywords. When you see the usage of the simple past tense, we use mainly this tense to express completed actions. Mainly action which is completed in the past, even million years back. Also, we use the simple past tense and we mention some years specifically, like 1967, 1914, 1880, likewise. And we mainly use it to express the situations, actions, events happened in the past. When you see the structure of the simple past tense, structure in the sense when you frame a sentence, the structure should be reflected in simple past tense sentences. That is, subject plus V2 plus object. Subject, doer of the action. We know I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Name singular and name plural will take them as subject. Second form of the verb, and end of the sentence it could be a object, modifier, adverb, whatever. And when we make the sentences into negative, we use the helping verb here, did, for the positive expression, did not for the negative expression, for all the subjects equally. And when you look at the keywords of the simple past tense, mainly keywords of the simple past tense: yesterday, the day before yesterday, and last is a common word: last week, last month, last year. And if you see that earlier, and sometimes some of the stories they start with long ago, once upon a time. Even these phrases also could express action happened in the past, so they were also used sometimes as keywords of the simple past tense. Even in the past, sometimes when you are not precise about when the action takes place, you take just in the past. So in the past also express the simple complete action in the past. Now let's see framing some of the examples with the structure of simple past tense. Well, here are the two examples that express simple past tense. Simple past tense structure: subject plus V2 plus subject and helping verb, that is did here. And if you see the example, we immerse in Ganesha. We act as a subject here, and immerse in second form of the verb Ganesha. This is Ganesha idol. And this is actually positive sentence. When we make the sentence into negative, and we did not, did it is acting as a helping verb in the simple past tense. So we did not immerse Ganesha. You need to find a difference here. In the first sentence, I took second form of the verb. It means V2, immersed. Second sentence, I did not take here immersed. I took here immerse. The reason, whenever we take did in simple past tense, in each sentence, if it is included did, the next verb form should be V1 only. So remember that did always take only V1. Did is one of the helping verb. It always allow only V1. That's the reason we did after we took immerse here. So we did not immerse Ganesha, negative sentence. When you make question, did should be at beginning of the sentence. It is one of the question. So did we immerse Ganesha? Didn't we immerse Ganesha? We can also say did we not immerse Ganesha? So in the four sentences, only first sentence it consisted the second form. Rest of the three sentences we have only V1, the reason did form. So when there is a did, the verb form should be only in V1 form. This is the rule of simple past tense. Same sentence if I make with the WH word questions. When we make the WH word questions, see after WH word we have to take did, the helping verb, then subject, subject after V1, V1 after object. Same sentence if I write with the WH words. Why did we immerse Ganesha? Why didn't we immerse Ganesha? Like positive, you can make positive sentence, negative sentence. So why did we immerse Ganesha? And how did we immerse Ganesha? When did we immerse Ganesha? And where did we immerse Ganesha? So WH word sentences also in simple past tense we can make these sentences. If you see another example here, she organized the event. She is the subject here and organized is the verb. This is second form of the verb. And when I make the sentence into negative, the negative sentence, now she did not organize. Here did is there, that's why organized changed into organized. V2 changed into V1 because of did here. So she did not organize the event. Did she organize the event? Didn't she organize the event? As rest of the three sentences included did, the verb form has taken V1. If I take this example into WH words, why did she organize program? In the sense event. Where did she organize event? How did she organize event? When did she organize event? So easily we can make the simple past tense sentences positive, negative, question positive, question negative, WH words positive as well as negative. But only when we get these two, like who or what, the sentence structure may not be the same of rest of the WH words. It is easy with the why, how, when. But when we write the same question in simple past tense with who actually replaces sometimes subject. So that's what we write, who immersed Ganesha. We ask question there. So here we replace it by who here. That's why who immersed Ganesha we make a question. And when we write with what, this what sometimes it replaces object. Sometimes. So here what did we immerse? When we make a question, what did we immerse? We make it means Ganesha is missing here. Ganesha is acting as object. So when we make the question with what? It is what did we immerse? So similarly, this example also we can make with who organized the event and what did she organize? Also we can frame the questions. So overall, simple past tense tells about completed action and structure is subject plus V2 plus object. One of the things you have to remember in the simple past tense mainly, that is V2 form changes into V1 form because of the did. Mainly most of the people they commit a mistake at this area. They write second sentence with the did but they mention the second form. It means second verb form as V2. So this is one of the mistake generally people they do. So do not do that mistake. When you take did in the sentence, obviously we get V1 form of the verb. Hope so you understood. Thank you for watching. If you feel it is helpful, please share with your friends.